Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you how to create a laundry room on the go. That mobile laundry room, it's great for small space living, and I hope you will continue to watch, so let's get started. Okay, friends, so I came up with this new concept to put a laundry room in a bag because Mike and I were going to start camping and RVing, and so I wanted to have something that was mobile. And then also I thought it would be fun to share because if you're going off to college, this is great if you're living in the dorms and you have to go to a laundromat or something like that. It's also great if you live in a small apartment and you also have to take or go outside of your home to use laundry facilities, or even if you have a washer and dryer in your apartment. Sometimes you live with different roommates and things like that. You all have your individual items, or you just have no storage for laundry items. So I hope this can help a lot of people when you're dealing with small space living. So let me share with you the components of the bag. Okay, to start, I purchased a simple backpack, but it's actually a baby bag because it has elements that I really like. And so I'll put a link to this. I got it off Amazon and I had it embroidered saying laundry. You all know I love kind of using that for labeling some things in my house. And I kept the color with the gray because that tends to fit my house. So when I'm storing it at home, it fits. And plus, I love my gray. And so in the first little pocket here, this is where I'm keeping all of the bags, the mesh bags, such as laundry bags, so that we can put our clothes in there. It's easy to transport. And I want to say another reason why I like a backpack is because it leaves your hands free to carry the laundry. So by having the mesh bags in here and also a little bag for the delicates, it's really easy to get to and great to be able to store it away. So in the next pocket here, this is where I keep the dryer balls. And I like to keep enough so that I can do multiple loads, because a lot of times when you're at a laundromat, you can dry more than one load at a time. So they're tucked right here so that it's easy to get to, and it makes it simple. And that's what I love about the book bag, is because you have the different compartments. You're able to kind of section it off as your different cabinets, such as in a laundry room. In the next pocket here, this is open for kind of your items, like you can put your water in here and things like that you want to take, your headphones, because you want to keep your hands free to carry the laundry. So you don't want to have to carry additional items such as a purse or anything like that. And then you can utilize these pockets here to put things like loose change that you find, when you're doing clothes or missing socks and things like that. So I wanted to keep that kind of open for those types of items. The next section here, this is the main section here, and I have a little magazine tucked in there because that was the easiest place to put the magazine. And so there you have your reading materials, such as when you're waiting to, do your laundry, you have something to do, something entertaining. And then right here, I have in the pocket in the back, I have these kind of travel hangers. These are hangers that they kind of fold out, and so that I can hang clothes to dry, things that you don't put in the dryer. I can basically hang those up and then have them easy to tuck away here because they fold down. And I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link below also. Then down in the pockets here, this is where I keep the bleach, and I went with the crystals here for the bag. I didn't want to put a liquid bleach in here in case it spilled. I didn't want a disaster on my hands, but the crystals here, it keeps it very clean and simple. And so, you get this in any of your grocery stores, and if I find the Amazon link, I'll put it in there also. Then also in here, I have another little pocket, and what I love about this is it has all the little pockets that typically would be for baby bottles because it's a baby bag, but it's perfect for those laundry items. And so in here, I have the stain remover. And so that tucks right in there perfectly, so that I have that just like in your laundry room. You have your stain remover. And then I also have in there the little brush, just in case I have something that's a little tough, just not to damage any fabrics, but I like to sometimes just kind of brush things a little bit out once it sits. And so I have that. And I got this brush from the Grove Collaborative, and that just tucks down in there. And then also this bag came with this additional bag that I believe it's to put a baby bottle in because it's insulated. And I love the fact that it was insulated because it's great for my laundry pods, because in case I'm traveling in the car to the laundromat or anything, it's going to kind of keep the temperature where it needs to be for the pods. And so that really tucks away fine there, and I can put a great deal of them in there. So it really is perfect. And then all the way down tucked in there is the little pad that comes in every diaper bag. And I love that it's waterproof because you can lay it out and lay those little items that you need to lay flat. You have something to lay them flat on as you take them out of the washing machine. And so that really is a neat little feature. Again, why I love the fact of using a diaper bag backpack. Friends, one neat feature is this little side pocket because it has this magnetic flap here, and inside I have my dryer sheets, and so you don't have to unzip the bag. It flips up and you can pull them out, and then when I need to refill dryer sheets, I can unzip and just tuck them down in here, and it works perfectly. In the second pocket here, I just put some little clips in here in case you need to clip some clothes or you like to hang clothes out to dry. This is an optional thing here. A lot of people don't line dry anymore, but they will kind of hang clothes out. You may live in a small apartment and have kind of something on your balcony, and there you have some clips there, and you can tuck them in the pocket there. And so since, you know, we'll be in your RVing and things like that, I just thought it'd be neat to have some on hand. So that is everything that goes in the laundry room on the go. That's such a fun concept, but then it's great for that small space living. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will link everything possible that I can think about. I hope you all are doing great. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. Along with, if you're not a part of my email list, definitely join that email list, because sometimes if YouTube doesn't notify you of any videos, or just to keep in contact with me so that I can update you, if you're on my email list, you can get my emails there, and I'll link that below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.